Hello friends, welcome to Dharashiv Domino's Pizza. Here is the menu card. You can order online or visit the shop to enjoy Domino's Pizza. Now you can order food online from Domino's Pizza, Dharashiv City Center, Dharashiv or Osmanabad and enjoy delicious food delivered to your doorstep. To order the pizza to your home, you can call 022 2845 2144. The Domino's Pizza in Dharashiv is located in the Dharashiv City Center Mall. You can also order from this location via food delivery platforms like Swiggy. Yeah, it is situated opposite to Terna College and I start of Aurangabad Solapur Highway. Near Domino's Pizza, you can see Studio as well as D-Marts as well. So guys, order food online and enjoy delicious pizza. You will get all types of pizza here, and now in our Dharashiv it will be available. So it is easy to come here and enjoy the delicious pizza or food whatever available with cold drinks as well. So visit this place